In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple boards on Monday.com in just 5 minutes. So whether you're consolidating data across different projects or simply looking to streamline your workflow, connecting boards can dramatically enhance your efficiency in Monday.com. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you need to start by opening the board from which you wish to pull in information. This is essentially your starting point, the board that will house all the consolidated data and insights from other boards. Make sure you are on the main view of this board so you can make the necessary changes. Next, you'll want to locate the plus add column button. This is prominently displayed, typically at the far right of your columns. When you click on this button, you're essentially creating a new field within the board that's going to be specifically used for linking to another board. Once you click plus add column, a drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of options for the type of column you can add. Here, you should select Connect Boards. This option allows you to establish a link between the current board and another board of your choosing, facilitating the exchange of information. After you select Connect Boards, the system will prompt you to choose which board you'd like to link to. Scroll through the list of your available boards and select the one that contains the data you need. This decision is critical as it determines the source of the information that will populate into your initial board. Now, here comes an important option, the ability to link one item or multiple items from the chosen board. Consider what level of detail you need. If your project requires input from several items or tasks, enabling multiple items will provide a comprehensive view that might be more beneficial. Finally, with everything set up, click Connect. This action will solidify the connection between your boards. You'll notice that the column you added now effectively serves as a bridge to the other board. From here, you can start pulling in data and truly customize how the information flows between these connected elements. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully connected multiple boards within Monday.com. This capability means you can now view and manage various projects from a single interface, making your workflow more streamlined and efficient. Remember, while setting up these connections is straightforward, taking the time to think about which boards and items you need to integrate can significantly impact your overall productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on mastering Monday.com. See you next time.